Hello everyone. I would like to show you how to prepare tea in the wasteless world. So first you need the tea or something what you can make the tea from. So I use my indoor garden, and this is enough to have a cup of tea because of the strength of the plant. Then I need the water. Okay. Then I boil it in a kettle. Standard one. I pour the water in my cup. Let's see what happened. The cup reveals its message. It says there is only one word, one wheel, but unlimited possibilities. So, and because I would like to have the tea sweet today, I take another interesting item. Do you know what it is? Generally, this is honey. Nothing more and nothing less. 1 spoon of honey. In a very unique form, we started to support the trade on the market. So, let's see what happened. You place it in your hot cup of tea, and in a short time it will, and it already, I don't know whether you see it, but generally already I see the honey going out. That's nice. This is a blossom honey. It's a pity that you can't smell it. It's really, really nice to see. So, then you take the spoon, you mix it, and we have a wonderful tea in the wasteless world. In the office of a man who aimed he vowed to build the wasteless world. Have a nice time. Have a nice tea. Bye-bye. Sorry, I forgot the end of the message. Have a nice time without waste and wasting in all its forms. This is what I wish you. Bye.